Question 11. A certain brand of jelly beans are made so that each packet contains about the same number of beans. The filling procedure is not perfect, however. The packages are filled with an average of 375 jelly beans, but the number going into each bag is normally distributed with a standard deviation of 8. Yesterday, Jane went to the store and purchased 4 of these packages in preparation for a spring party. Jane was curious and she counted the number of jelly beans in these packages. Her 4 bags contained an average of 382 jelly beans. In the above scenario, which of the following is a parameter? Okay, the average number of jelly beans in Jane's package, which is 382. Well, no, because you have this plant and they are making all these jelly beans, okay? If you looked at every single bag within that plant, that would be the population, okay? So if you took the average from that, which is actually 375, that would be the parameter because it's coming from the population. Now what Jane did was she got 4 bags from that plant, so she got a sample from the population. Okay, and from that sample, she got the number 382. So the 382 is actually a statistic. Okay, so A is not it. The average number of jelly beans in Jane's bag, which is unknown. Well, no, she knows it because she took each bag and she counted how many jelly beans were in each bag, and then she had an average, which was 382. So she does know it. Okay, so it's not that. The average number of jelly beans in all packages made, which is 375. Yes, that is it. That is the parameter. So 375 is the parameter because the 375, that average, that number comes from the population, which is the plant that's making all the jelly beans. Okay, the average number of jelly beans in all packages made, which is unknown. Well, no, we do know it because it says up above that the average is 375 jelly beans from that plant. Okay, so yes, we do know the parameter, and the parameter comes from the population, and they said that the average from that plant of the jelly beans within a bag is 375. So that is your final answer.